We're going to do a video on oil technical analysis, and we've got a daily chart of light crude futures from the NYMEX exchange. Daily chart on here real quick. Let's take a look at it. What's interesting about crude oil this week is what it did not do, and that is it didn't do a whole lot. We put in Friday a up $4 day, almost $4.50 price increase on crude oil on Friday. You can see it's above the 5-day. This little dot right there is where this closed. I'm not sure why this chart's showing that, but that's the way it's doing it. Closed at $92.61 on Friday, the 4th of November, above the 5-day moving average, above the red 20-day moving average, but still below the 200-day moving average in blue, which you can see here is an upsloping line. So it's extremely interesting. Crude should probably be closer to $100, and it's not, and it's amazingly that it's not. It's not. Crude is in a bear market because it's below the 200-day moving average. So objectively, crude's in a bear market. But it's really kind of interesting what's going on with crude. The volatility is kind of dried up. Friday was the first day of the whole week that we had any kind of serious movement whatsoever. And it's really kind of surprising. Let's take a look real quick at the weekly chart and see if we can come up with anything off of that. We can see the crude on a weekly chart. This is the 200-week moving average here in blue. We can see it is just edged above the 20-week moving average, which is down. So we need to get this 20-week moving average turned back up and get crude above it, along with the 5-week moving average above it, and before you can get any kind of serious rally out of crude up to the 110 level. I don't know if that's going to happen. Again, crude closed at $92.61 on Friday for this contract, this light crude contract on the NYMEX exchange. So is crude going to go to 110? I think that it certainly could go to 110. I'm kind of surprised it's not there, but the reality of it is, on a weekly chart, it's still in bull market territory, but it's not really going anywhere. If you notice across here for more than a month, it's essentially, actually closer to 2 months, it's essentially oscillating around the $87 level. So it's kind of weird given what's going on in the Middle East. Going back over here to the daily chart, what we need to do is keep this price where it is, keep it above the 5-day, above the 20-day, and attack this 200-day moving average, which right now is currently about 97. If we can get this price to exceed this top right here of $93.64, which it should be able to do next week, then it can attack this 200-day moving average and maybe get back into a bull market on a daily chart like it is on a weekly chart. I'm not predicting any of that because it doesn't really look like it's got the strength to do that. It looks like it's running out of energy and oscillating around the $87 level. But we'll see what happens next week. Let's take a look and see what RBAM Research says about it for Monday, the 7th of October. Let's find it down here. We've got our algorithmically generated entry prices for crude here somewhere. And there's gold, and here's crude. So for the 7th, we have shorts at $89.44 on a 1-day. We have 1, 2, 5, 10, and 20-day hold periods. We've got $89.44 short for a 1-day, 91 for a 2-day, 93, 93, 93 across for the 5 through 20-day trading period. So basically what it's saying is, if it rallies, short it. And if it doesn't rally and it falls back down, if it rallies to 93s, you can buy it. If it goes, if it rallies up to the 93s, short it. If it drops down to the 89s from where it currently is, short it. So it's very interesting, and that's the way these algorithms usually work. They're looking to short on strength and sell on weakness. So it's kind of interesting, but makes sense if you're familiar with the way algorithms work. Again, these are all for entertainment purposes only. Can't use them for anything other than entertainment. They're all for all of our commentary and entry prices are for entertainment purposes only. Can't use them for anything else. But they are available every morning before 7 a.m. at rbamresearch.com, which you can get for free. You just go over there, follow the link in the description below, put in your email address, and get free access with no credit card required to 190 stocks, the major forex pairs, BTC crypto, and the most liquid futures contracts, including crude oil, all updated by 7 a.m. Monday through Friday. Again, everything's entertainment purposes only. You should always do your own analysis. You definitely trade at your own risk. If you have a contract that you'd like us to do a technical analysis on, please leave it in the comment section below. Just put the ticker symbol in there. If we can do it, we'll do it for you. And if you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well.